Miss Swanson, I don't understand the fourth problem. Of course, I don't really understand the other three problems either. Actually, I don't understand math at all. Let's face it, I don't even understand school.
That's right, mathematicians. Today, we're going to learn about multiplication.
It can be taught. What would you wish of me?
Ever impressive.
The one contains, but never duplicate. Genie of the lamp. Right here, direct from the lamp. Right here for your very much wish fulfillment.
Multiplication. Think about the word above. What root word can you think of? Multiply. Right. What does that sound like? Multi. Now, what does multi mean? More, many times over. Multiplication is something that is many times over the current amount of something. But wait, isn't that just addition? Yes, addition is more of something too. But in addition, you can add any number of things to any number of other things. An example would be, a family has 4 people. Another family has 6 people. How many people in both families all together? Four plus 6 equals 10. 10 people. Addition is not multiplication. Multiplication is addition many times over. Example, a family has 4 people and another family has 4 people too. How many people in all? In addition, 4 plus 4 equals 8 people. But one family and a second family is multiplication. 4 times 2 equals 8 people. It's another way of looking at the same problem. And now some key terms that you're going to need. Factor, either of the numbers being multiplied together. In this case, 3 and 5 are both factors. Multiplier, the first factor. In this case, the number 3. Multiplicand, the second factor. In this case, the number 5. Product, the answer of multiplication. In this case, 3 times 5 equals 15. The product is 15. Here's a tricky question for you. Can you multiply something by 0? Yes and no. Yes, because you can still get an answer. No, because the answer is always going to be 0. Example, Matthew has never had an allowance. He asks for an allowance. Matthew's father agrees to give him $4 per week for 0 weeks. Think of it this way. Look at a calendar. Can you find 0 weeks on a calendar? No matter how much money, 4 times 0 is $0. Wah, wah. Sorry, Matthew. Now, let's look at our times tables. I want to hear your voices. Count along with me. 0 times equals 0. Let's go! 0 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 1 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. Next, can you multiply by 1? Yes. But anything you multiply by 1 is the other number. Example: Jennifer asks 6 neighbors for donations for the fundraiser. Each neighbor donates $1. How much money did Jennifer collect in all donations? One plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 6 times 1 equals $6. Now I want to hear you counting. 1 times equals. Let's go. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. Great job, everybody! Now, pause the screen. Do your best. All right, have you worked hard? Good job. Pat yourselves on your backs. And get ready for the answers. Pause the video and check your answers. In the next lesson, we'll work on doubles and quadruples, also known as multiplying by 2s and 4s. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe.